welcome to Everyone Doodle. Today we're gonna draw 3 cute and kawaii foam wallpapers together. So we're gonna draw 3 animals, a penguin, a bunny, and a bear. Let's get started. We'll use Procreate on iPad for the drawing, so launch your Procreate. Click the plus sign on the top right-hand corner. Choose Custom Canvas. Since foam wallpapers usually have a 16:9 aspect ratio, I'm just gonna put 900 and 1600 for the width and height. You can also name the canvas foam wallpaper. Then click the orange button to create the canvas. Let's draw the cute penguin wallpaper first. We can click on the color picker on the top right-hand corner. I'm gonna choose something light blue that gives a wintry, icy feeling for a penguin. So make sure that we have a new layer for the background. Now drag the light blue from the top right-hand corner to the canvas to fill it up. Click on the Layers button and click on the plus sign to create a new layer to draw the penguin. Click on the brush icon, go to Sketching, and then scroll down to choose the studio pen for our brush. Now draw a curve for the penguin body. It's okay that a curve is not perfect because we're gonna fill the whole thing up later on, so it doesn't matter that your line work is not as precise. Choose a dark, almost black color and then drag it to fill up the body of the penguin. Click on the Layers icon to create a new layer. Choose the white color. Now draw 2 curved lines, one from the left and then the other from the right. And now link up the 2 curves. Drag the white color from the color picker to fill up this part of the penguin. Click on the Layer button to add another layer. And now choose yellow for the beak of the penguin. Draw an oval for the beak of the penguin and color it yellow. You can do it by hand or drag and drop the yellow color to this oval. Click on the layer icon and add another new layer for the eyes of the penguin. We want to use the same shade of gray, black for the eyes of the penguin, so tap on that black area of the penguin and hold. And now you will see a color picker appearing and the black color is picked up. So now draw 2 circles filled up for the eyes of the penguin. Click on the Layers icon, add a new layers below the eye layer. Choose light pink for the blush of the penguin. To make it more kawaii, now draw an oval for the blush. Drag and drop the pink to fill up the oval. Do the same for the other side. Add a new layer again. Make sure that the layer is above the white area of the penguin. I want to use the black color again, so tap and hold the black area to make sure that the color is picked up. Now add some details to the penguin, like the little fur of the penguin. Add a final layer on the top for writing. I want to use the background color as a reference, so I tap and hold the background color to pick it up. Open the color button. I'm going to move it around a little bit to pick a deeper color than the background. Now zoom in to the bottom part of the penguin to write. I'm just going to write penguin with the blue color, but you can write whatever you want. Then I'm gonna pick a pink color to add some cute little hearts as a final touch. I'm gonna move the text to a bit more center. So open the layers, make sure that you have selected the text layer, and then click on the arrow on the left-hand side. And now the penguin text layer is selected. You can move it around to change its position. Congratulations! Now you have your cute penguin wallpaper done. Now go back to your gallery, click the plus sign to create another blank canvas, And remember to choose the phone wallpaper size that we just set up. Now we're going to draw a cute bunny. I'm going to choose light pink as the background color, drag and drop it to the canvas. Click on the layers icon to add a new layer to draw the rabbit. We'll use the same brush, Studio Pen under Sketching, for the drawing. Choose white color to draw the rabbit. Drag and drop the white color to color the rabbit. Add a new layer. Choose a darker color to draw the eyes of the rabbit. Draw the nose close to the eye level, then it will look cuter. Add a new layer below the eyes. We're gonna use that to draw the cheek. Choose a pink color for the cheek. Draw an oval, drag and drop to fill up the oval, and do the same on the other side. Add a new layer above the cheek, and choose a darker shade of pink. Draw a few strokes on the blush to make it look even cuter. Now add another layer. Make sure that is above the white body. Tap and hold the blush. I want to use the pink to draw the ears. Now add one more layer, also above the white body. Now add more details to the bunny, like these little lines that make it feel and look a bit more fluffy. Add a final layer at the top for the text. I'm just gonna write rabbit, but you can write whatever you want. Add some little hearts as a final touch. And here you go! Now you have your cute kawaii bunny wallpaper. Finally, we're gonna draw our teddy bear wallpaper. Go back to the gallery, click the plus sign, and choose phone wallpaper for a new canvas. Let's fill up the background. I'm gonna use a light orange for the background. Now add a new layer to draw the teddy bear. Pick a brown color. Again, we're gonna use Studio Pen under Sketching to draw the bear. Drag and drop the brown color to fill up the teddy bear's body and ears. Now click on the layers icon to add a new layer. Choose black color to draw the eyes of the bear. Draw the nose close to the eye level to make it cuter. Add a new layer above the brown body. Choose the color white and draw a round circle around the nose of the bear and fill it up in white. Choose a light pink for the blush of the teddy bear. Add a new layer under the eyes of the bear. Draw two ovals and fill them up with light pink for the cheek of the bear. Add a new layer above the brown body of the bear. Tap and hold the brown body of the bear to pick up the brown, and then choose a lighter color than that brown. Draw some details to show the fur of the bear, make it look a little bit cuter and fluffier. Add one last layer above the brown body of the bear. Then choose the white color to write. I'm just gonna write bear, and again you can write whatever you want. Add some little hearts as a final touch. Actually now I want to add a little pink to the ears to make it cuter. Add one more layer and make sure the layer is above the brown body. Tap and hold the pink of the cheek to pick up the color. Now draw the details inside the ears of the bear. And now you have your cute kawaii bear wallpaper as well. All 3 wallpapers are done. Congratulations! Which one is your favorite? Comment below.